To make our cookie dough, we're going to start with a can of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, and we're going to thoroughly rinse them off and drain them. After you have your chickpeas rinsed off, you're going to deshell each one. Yes, each one. I highly suggest that you do this because this is going to make your cookie dough be so much smoother than if you were to keep the shells on. All you have to do is take the chickpea and pinch it. The shell will come right off, and this probably takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to throw our ingredients in a food processor. I'm going to start with your chickpeas. And then you're going to add maple syrup. You can use agave nectar or honey if you would like. I'm going to start with about 4 spoonfuls of maple syrup. And then you're going to get a nut butter of your choice. Peanut butter, cashew butter. I'm using this Biscoff cookie butter because, I mean, why not? I think this stuff is so good. So I'm just going to take a huge scoop of that and put it in the food processor. Next, you're going to add a spoonful of vanilla. And then we're going to throw in just a pinch of salt, and that's optional, of course. After you have all of your ingredients in the food processor, close the lid and start to pulse for about 1 to 2 minutes until you see the consistency is smooth. In between blending the ingredients together, I like to scrape the sides and the corners of the container just to make sure that all of the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Now I'm going to press the pulse button a few more times and then press the puree button to let this machine do its magic. Once you feel like your cookie dough is blended well, get a spoon and test it out just to see if it's at a taste of your liking. I wanted mine to be a little sweeter, so I added a little bit more maple syrup, and then I continued to blend. Now that my cookie dough base is blended up, I'm going to take the blade out and give it one more stir just to make sure that all of the ingredients are thoroughly mixed together. Now here's the fun part. We get to add in our toppings. I wanted to add white chocolate chips and sprinkles to mine. So this is a 1/3 measuring cup. I'm gonna add a part of that just to make sure I don't go overboard. And then I'm gonna add some sprinkles and give that a mix. I wanted to add a few more white chocolate chips and sprinkles before I gave my dough one more mix and started to enjoy. Now you have completed chickpea vegan, somewhat healthy cookie dough for you to eat and enjoy. Keep in mind that you don't have to use precise measurements to do this really fun and easy recipe, as you just saw, and you can always add whatever toppings you would like to your cookie dough. Dark chocolate chips, marshmallows, raisins, oatmeal, do as you please and enjoy. Just store your vegan chickpea cookie dough, seal it with the top or lid, and place it in your refrigerator for 4 to 5 days max. As always, thanks so much for clicking to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it and get to try out this recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a comment down below to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye!